please tell our aspirants that how did you prepare for the quant, reasoning and English section? Did you just do the topic wise part, or you prepared from the mock tests?
In phase one, there are four sections: quant, reasoning, English, and general awareness. I did not do anything specific for English because of my UPSC background. There was a habit of reading newspaper, so English was taken care there only. And in general awareness, I do subscribe for a monthly magazine, which helped me to prioritize the questions which are asked in RBI Grade B. Now, the quant and reasoning was my weak part, and I had to two specific sections. I first of all went through the previous year questions, for which I used your platform because there was a playlist for previous year questions. I went through that. I saw all the questions. I tried to solve them, but I was unable to solve, obviously. Then I went through the syllabus of the quant and reasoning, and I realized that there are certain sections which are asked very often in examination, which I was able to gather because of my analysis of the previous year question. So after doing these two things, I started preparing for these questions through YouTube random videos only. Like I used to solve the previous year questions of SBI PO, IBPS PO. So this helped me to get the foundation for all the questions in quant and reasoning. Then I also solved a lot of questions only for quant and reasoning specifically, because this was my weak part and I had to give some amount of time only. And there was also a thinking in the back of my mind that I just have to clear the cutoff. So I don't have to invest a lot of time and energy in it. I just need to prepare so much that I can clear the cutoff and I can get the benefit of general awareness and English, which is my advantage. So I can clear overall cutoff also and sectional cutoff also. So I mostly prepared for quant and reasoning during phase one through YouTube videos, through practice questions, previous year questions, and syllabus.